Today we're testing freeze-dried apple rings. Let's go. Okay, one for you, one for me. 1, 2, 3. Good, good. How do you rate it? 1 to 10.
10.
And I give it 7. Bye.